family to yours.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I decided to do a get ready with me Christmas edition. I'm going to my husband's Christmas party, so I wanted to do this get ready with me where I do my hair and my makeup. So let's get into this video. So guys, I am going in some Total Control deep primer from NARS. So this is what I'll be using, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face. Sorry, don't mind the noise in the background, someone is showering. So I'm just gonna rub my, I don't really use this a lot, but we're gonna see how it goes. Okay. So I'm just gonna rub this primer into my face. I feel like this primer is just making me look washed out. If you don't see me looking in the camera, that's because I'm looking in the mirror. So I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and I'm just going to fix my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going in with my this is from Anastasia. Go in and your girl's gonna do her eyebrows quickly and come back. Yeah, it takes too long to do my eyebrows on camera, so I'm just gonna go in and do them and come. Okay, so as you see, I did my brows off camera, just did a simple look, simple brow, nothing too fancy. So now I am going to go in with my Makiage foundation. I did a review, I did an unboxing on this. Yeah, and this is 100, the shade, it's 195, and it says wake up like this. So this is the shade that I'm going in with. So as you see, when you pump it, that's what it looks like. And I'm going in with my Vanity Planet brush. I did a review on these brushes as well. That's on my channel. If you want to check it out, it's there. And you just go like this. So yeah, and as you see guys, it blends like well into your skin. So this is the first time I'm actually trying the Makiage foundation. Let's get this face beat and see what it looks like when it's finished. As you see, it's over my eyes, so I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. palette, and I'm just going for a simple look. So I'm just going for a simple look. I am going in with this color here, the top second one so far, with this nice brownish goldish color. I'm gonna go in and basically I'm going to make my face.
Yeah, that's alright, don't worry about it. Remember me, know you never love nobody. I'll be alright like I always been.
So I'm going to let that sit and take away.
Sexy shape like a cola model. I'll be alright like I always been. I'm for them dollar like I'm Superman. Tell her no, girl, me not go beat you for your phone.
Going in and I'm gonna do a wing look. So let me just do this wing look quickly. I got my wings, something small. So what your girl's going to do is I am going to go in with my Maybelline Lash Intense mascara and get these eyelash plumped. Yes, I got so much eyelashes. So let's go in and okay, starting to take form already. Let me. Okay guys, so I'm just about to go in and put on my mascara now. These are mine. I just know how to make them look very dramatic till the point where they do look fake. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on the bottom. Okay guys, so I've done one eyelash, as you can see. So there's one and the other one's not done yet, but I'm doing the other one just now.
Dirty and rough, me no afraid of no one. Run up in a gal face, female shella. Browning but me get dark, 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 dark. Me searching them copy. Flossing me too sassy. Bounce a girl, she no inna my league. Can't play with me, a Barbie. You know see me work hard, you feel me, man.
And there you have it, guys. Except now I'm going in with this right here. I don't know exactly what it's called Studio Kisses. So it's Studio Kisses, and I'm going in with this one on my lips. I love this. I just wanted to try it out, so and it's called Lola, I think, or Latia. And yeah, I love this. Just a little bit on my lips. And I love the color this thing gives my lip. Love it. Guys, so to fully finish off my face, I'm going in with my NYX matte finish spray. So you just want to hold it and go. Woo. And then you want to fan it in. And the other good thing you can do is dab that bad boy into your face. And last but not least, I am going in with my Boss Girl lip gloss from my boutique, guys. So here we go. That's it. See, and now the look is finished. So time to get the hair down. Ooh, right there. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron, and I'm going to put some quick curls in this. So I've combed down my hair, and your girl is about to start flat iron. I'm gonna put maybe 1-2 curls in it, and I will be ready to get into my outfit. Yes. Okay, so let me just put up this hair and start from the back, and I'm just going to try and get this hair curled as fast as possible because your girl's on crunch time.
You hurt me a day, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh,
Drop a comment in the comment below and let me know what you guys think of this makeup. So I'm gonna get this hair halfway done and I will be back. So I'm almost finished. Getting there. So this is it, the finished product. My hair is done. The only thing I gotta do is just gotta fluff it out nicely and yeah, make sure it's intact. Okay, so your girl is ready to get her groove on at this Christmas party. So it's time for me to go and put my outfit on.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and